Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to set up shipping zones in Shopify. So first of all, from your Shopify admin, click settings button at the bottom left of the screen. Now you'll be taken to this page. We'll have to click on shipping and delivery. Now under shipping, find your current shipping profile and click manage. If you haven't, click on create a custom profile button. Now this will take you to this page where you can easily create your shipping profile. After creating a profile, you'll have to simply click on that profile and that will take you to the manage part. This is where all your shipping zones and rates are live. After that, you'll have to click on manage and this is where all your shipping zones and rates will be live. Now, step 2 is understanding shipping zones. So a shipping zone is a group of countries or regions that share the same shipping rates. For example, free shipping in US, flat rate for Canada and no shipping to Europe. Zones help you stay flexible and control your shipping costs. You can scroll to the shipping to section, then click create shipping zone. Name your zone something like USA or international, then select the countries or regions to include. You can even drill down to specific states or provinces. Once you create the zone, click add rate and you can choose a flat rate, calculated rate from a carrier like UPS or free shipping. Name your rate like standard shipping $5 and add conditions like weight, price, limits if needed. Now, if certain products ship differently, create a custom shipping profile from the main shipping settings. Assign only those products to it, then set up separate zones and rates just for them. Setting this up right avoids overcharging customers or eating unexpected costs. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and drop a comment where are you shipping from. And I will see you in the next video.